In this video, I will show you how to scan Wi-Fi QR code with laptop. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you've got your QR code saved as an image on your PC. So you can do this by taking a screenshot of the image, or what you can do is open up the snipping tool on your device, which comes pre-installed on Windows PCs. Then what you need to do is go ahead and click new, and you just want to drag a box around your QR image like so. Then what you want to do is save this to your PC. So what I'm going to do is call this QR code test, and you can choose where to save this. I'm just going to save this into my downloads folder, just like so. Now once you've gone ahead and done that, what you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser, and what you want to do is come across to the following website, which is scanqr.org. That's going to take you across to a website like this. Now from here, what you can do is upload your QR code image. All you need to do is scroll down the page and click onto this box here. Then what you want to do is find the QR code that you saved as an image. So for example, that was our QR code test. So double click to upload. What it's going to do is actually give you the website address for that QR code. So you can see that's here on the right hand side. All you want to do is right click and click onto copy. Then what you can do is go ahead, open up a new tab, paste that into the address bar at the top and press enter. And as you can see, this is going to direct us to the website for that QR code. So for this example, that QR code directed us to my Tech Tutor YouTube channel. However, yours will be for whichever website it's been set up to direct to. So that is how to scan Wi-Fi QR code with laptop. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.